Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common issue that many developers face when working with Net Entity Framework, AF, and SQL script. Have you ever tried to save data to your database using EF after inserting data manually using a SQL script, only to encounter an error because it tries to insert an ID GG1, which is already inserted? If so, you're not alone. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you're not sure what's going on or how to fix it. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue and provide a clear explanation of the concepts involved. To understand why this is happening, let's break down the key concepts involved. When you insert data manually using a SQL script, you're essentially bypassing Entity Framework's change tracking mechanism. This means that F isn't aware of the changes you've made to the database, and it doesn't know what ID values have already been used. By default, it uses an incrementing integer as the primary key for its entities. When you try to save new data using EF, it will attempt to insert a new record with the next available ID value. However, if that ID value is already in use because you've inserted data manually, you'll get an error. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an analogy. Imagine you're trying to park your car in a crowded parking lot. You see an empty spot and try to park there, but someone else has already parked their car in that spot without telling anyone. When you try to park, the attendant will tell you that spot is taken, even though you didn't know it was occupied. Similarly, EF doesn't know about the manually inserted data, so when it tries to insert new data at ID GG1, which is already in use, it throws an error. To resolve this issue, we need to make sure that F is aware of the existing data and uses the correct ID values for its insert. To summarize the main points discussed, manually inserting data using SQL scripts bypasses Entity Framework's change tracking mechanism. But also, F doesn't know about existing data when trying to insert new records, leading to errors if an ID value is already in use. We need to ensure that EF is aware of the existing data and uses correct ID values for insert. The issue we discussed today highlights the importance of understanding how Entity Framework interacts with our database. By knowing the concepts involved, we can troubleshoot common errors like this one and resolve them efficiently. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand the issue better. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on the Net Entity Framework and related topics. We'll see you in the next video.